In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar with your Samsung Calendar effortlessly. Setting up this sync will allow you to stay on top of your schedule without missing a beat, whether you're checking your phone or your computer. First, let's begin by adding your Google account to your Samsung device. This step is foundational, as it allows your phone to access and sync data from your Google services. To start, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Accounts and Backup. Tap on it, followed by Manage Accounts. Here you'll see an option to Add Account. Tap on that and a list of account types will appear. Choose Google from the list. If prompted, sign in using your Google account credentials. This is the same account linked to your Google Calendar. Once successfully logged in, ensure that the Calendar Sync option is turned on. You may find this in the list of items to sync under your Google account settings. This ensures that your Google Calendar events sync directly to your phone. Next, let's enable your Google Calendar within the Samsung Calendar app. Open the Samsung Calendar app. Once inside, look towards the top left where you'll spot a menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to reveal more options. You should see a section labeled Calendars. Under this, make sure there's a check mark next to your Google account. If you don't immediately spot your Google account, look for an option that says Manage Calendars. Tap on it and toggle your Google account to On. This essentially instructs the app to display your Google Calendar events alongside any other events you might have. Finally, let's fine-tune your sync settings. Still within the Samsung Calendar app, tap the same menu icon once more. Choose the option named Settings, followed by Sync Calendars. In this menu, confirm that your Google account is set to sync. Sometimes, just to ensure everything's up to date, it's a good idea to tap Sync Now. This will prompt your phone to manually fetch the latest calendar entries from Google, ensuring nothing is left unsynced. And there you have it. You've now successfully synced your Google Calendar with your Samsung Calendar. This helps streamline your scheduling process, allowing you to always be on top of your daily agenda, regardless of where you check it. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you encounter any issues. Happy scheduling!